Just close the fucking door. Close the door.
Hello, traders. Good to see you on this Thursday, where what kind of made sense happened with Nvidia, like just going berserk, all-time highs, nearing a 3618 at 793, 16.4%. Then after hours, up 1.68%, all like less than $2. Short of $800, so really exceeding the 3618, the 4236, 862. You're thinking probably $1,000 at this point. Why not, man? What's a cool 1,000? You're gonna stop this? Welcome to 1998, 1999. That's where we're at. Okay. So insane you can't even put it on the screen. Wow. But look how it started. The TA was respected, but the book never ended. The chapters just continued to occur. Wow. 1,000-page book. I guess every dollar is a different page. Yep, amazing. And all the semiconductor companies did great. They pumped with Nvda. Gotta love it, man. The party is far from over, it seems, right? What was it? What'd you have? It was so scary. It was so bad for AMD, and then what'd they do? Yep. They closed it right at the old all-time high from December 2021, and then just, bye. Guess what happened? I mean, like, you were that close, and then highest daily candle close literally ever on AMD. Up 10.69%. Lots of Jesus chimes. My God, dude. Marvel, 6.6+%. What's going on? What's this guy talking about? Okay, sorry. You're getting a Dell. Remember how the Dell move started? I mean, you talk about legendary NFT Gartleys. Here it is. It was there. And we're talking, what, the highest daily candle close, I think, ever. Yeah, literally ever. Gone, man. But this is the stuff you look for down here before this. Micron. You know, not as spectacular by any means. Just heading on up. I mean, probably $93 on deck, $97 on deck. Just wild. See some of this pumpage, and we're talking like the whole market correlating positively, like Meta, you know. What happened on Meta today? Well, it just happened to be your highest daily candle close in human history. Well, all-time highs. Let's go, dude. Amazon. What happened? It was your second highest daily candle close since November 2021, nearing that 886. Beautiful. But CRM, yeah, we looked at it, like highest daily candle close on CRM since November 2021, right? Remember when Bitcoin was at 69K and CRM was trading at $300? So what's better, semiconductors or Bitcoin in terms of performance and recovery? Semiconductors are better than Bitcoin. Yeah, you heard it. You can't make it up. That's just how it happens. Like, you were kind of wrong picking Bitcoin over semis. Bitcoin can't even do anything at 52K. Okay, it's up 100% in 6 months. Great. All right, now do Nvda. Now do a lot of these other semiconductors. Yeah, they're better. That's cool though. In the end, it's just your purchasing power collapsing. Bad. You know, I mean, like what, mRNA popped, I guess, on earnings. Just looking at it. Yeah, we just earnings. Nothing really special here. Yeah, above 103, it could be better, but give me a higher high. Maybe you got a higher low here, whatever. Rolls Royce, that freaking godlike. Oh my God, G-Dog. Highest daily candle close on Rolls Royce since August of 2018. Wow. Unreal. Let's plot that 363 level, you know, big reversal point. It's kind of like a zone here, right? You can clearly see like inflection 2014 and 2018. Yeah, Rolls Royce is approaching key level. I think it tested it. Sorry, this set sucks, dude. It's new though. Okay, beautiful. Wow, just ridiculous. ANET, you know, it just recently made all-time highs, but it recovered very well today. It's computer peripherals. Remember the accumulation? This is a perfect through highs and valleys. But you had the descending broadening wedge too. Wow, just gone, man. You gotta love this stuff. Technology itself. What happened on technology? I don't know, Ali G.
Technology, what is that all about? Is it good or is it whack?
Very good, mate. Highest daily candle close on the QQQ in human history. Things going nuts. What happened to Netflix as second highest daily candle close in years? MasterCard, highest daily candle close ever. So many all-time highs, man. Marriott, yep. Highest daily candle close ever on Marriott. Probably Hilton. I like to see Foot Locker continuing to rally off the spring back test. Highest daily close since May of last year. Microsoft just gapping up after what a freaking run, man. Kind of get the gist of it. Number go up. Qualcomm still just trading up there. I mean, very, very close. It's like one of your highest daily closes in a while. Started with an M shape. The tail end of a range. Just a type 1 return though. Not really a type 2. Even energy was up. My God, man. VLO's a trade set up. We're just waiting. If you're patient, what are they going to put in a third low here? And waiting for 147. I mean, ascending triangle like crazy. Higher lows. Reaccumulation. It looks like, you know. Here's your all-time high on Hilton. That's so hot. Wow. Short-term Jesus shine. From this high to low, a 1.618 fib extension was achieved. They did it, man. Tested it, and then that's it. Beautiful stuff, man, across the markets. Hope you're not too heavy in cash. All right, let's go to just knocking those out. Let's go to Bitcoin. What's there talk about, man? Look, there's the chart right above my head. It's a joke. Nothing burger. Sideways, possibly your first lower high. Like you've confirmed a high, one high, then the second high. But then now it's like, is this a lower high? And it's confirming a very small amount of distribution? Could, maybe. Just too coin flippish. It's just not interesting, technically speaking. Still, like, just so elevated. Has had no pullback, really, since that run. It resumed in late January. And it's just, you know, after testing twice a level from history where I'm just showing you, there was this one time when the market participants saw, you know, 52,777, and they said, all right, we're reversing this thing by 25% over a month. And then, you know, before all-time highs, but still, that was a 25% correction at this level. And I'm just showing you, okay? So will they do it again? Because that means Bitcoin would have to come back down to 40K or lower, but no telling, man. Your first, they're trying to put in the first level negative momentum since January 28th. Finally, my God. I think any short-term retraces, pullbacks are gonna turn into higher lows than the previous lows, and you're gonna run again later. Yeah, it's just right now, some altcoins catching some bids. We know one.
Matt B tipped $25. First request, so be gentle, ha ha ha. EWT/USDT daily. I know this has underperformed compared to others, but it looks like it recorded its first higher lower in early February from a low in October 2023. It looks like 2.95 is the next resistance.
Matt Bay, thanks so much for 25, dude. Yeah, we will look at it, and I'll be as gentle as I possibly can, okay? Thank you, man. Hype for higher lows. That's always a good sign. Thank you, man. So we'll look at file, what happened. Highest daily candle close confirmed in a long time, since February 21st of last year. So we're talking about like 366 day highs, maybe 365 now. No, I think it's 366. Mega engulfing candle taking out those highs from the beginning of the year. That first target, smashed it, waiting on 950. Just waiting. Third target of that setup was posted just a couple weeks ago. Wow, incredible, man. H-bar, the other amazing looking asset. Look what it's turned into. What'd you get? You got a mega engulfing candle and the highest daily candle close seen on this one since like May 9th, 2022. And it's kind of wide open. I mean, I know there's this one high right here at 12.4 cents, but eventually 16 cents, you'd think. Yep, it's gorgeous, man. Just a work of art. Oh, yeah, true.
Since we started out on BitConf, let's go further into crypto.
I have overinvested by a lot.
Yeah, so H-bar and file, two specimens with the harmonic framework, are really accelerating now, and you gotta love it. I mean, H-bar to see a major 236, 23% retrace would be 16 cents, a little over. That's shallow. All right, Zcash pump today, kind of wild, man. Wasn't much going on besides maybe a confirmation low, but look what they did. There was an engulfing candle, and they closed right back above the 200-day simple moving average, right back above 2663, 2630. Let me show you. It's very real. It's there. Undeniable existence. They closed it back above that level. So that's pretty cool. I'm just showing you because it was a top gainer yesterday. Reef that, you know, type 2s don't always come. As we just saw recently on this stream with Dell, it was a type 1 return on Gartley, but here we are, and nice, one of the top gainers today. I mean, once you break that 1.9 tenths of 1 penny, it's probably bye-bye Reef. I mean, you're talking 2.5 tenths of 1 penny, 2.7 tenths of 1 penny, you know, and then just probably go like way higher, man.
$19.99 from Easley Properties. Can we take a look at Barrick Gold? How much lower can these miners go?
Easley Properties, thank you for the 20 and the first super chat. Oh my god, man, thank you. Yeah, dude, we can look at yeah, they're bad. Gold's just a wet fart too, man. No animal spirits in metals, really, you know. Precious metals. It is precious to me. Not so much to market participants based on percentage performance. Okay, we'll look. So Reef did well. VeChain and Hot were up. You know, Hot, okay, great. Didn't really do much. I'm not really that impressed. Great, dude. Attempting a rally, lower high, nothing yet. VeChain was up. And it's just after that. Dragon Pump. It's just up there. 4.5 cents. Just consolidating. And you'd think, like, in time, if the buyers are able to keep VeChain above 4 cents long enough, you're looking for 6 cents up there. It seems like a pretty real level. So, yep. Things reversed. Kind of an M shape here. Then, like, a spring back test. Higher lows. Coinbase listing is kind of crazy. They listed a Coinbase, and that was it. Sorry, I'm just like, my body is completely broken. 4 days in a row with a trainer and like 5 miles a day. So finally gonna be getting to take off the next few days, and it feels good, man. No, storage was up, and everything just kind of flat. Jokes today. I mean, that's it. Those are your top gainers, man. Not much really going on. Here's the RX, whatever. FTM. They're dragons. They're just not. They've not played out all the way. So I'm not really. Yeah, just like it's kind of a meh day for crypto. Big miss. All right. So Jonathan, how do you feel about crypto being so dead right now? Oof. Been a brutal week for Bitcoin.
I like turtles.
Just in terms of like movement, just flat. EWT. Matt B. I don't know what exchange. I guess KuCoin. Energy Web Connect. Well, yeah. Maybe something going on. I mean, someone could use their imagination and I mean, you know, like, I guess if you're back above 229, the closer you are to that level, you know, maybe the closer you are to being able to strategize an entry and a stop loss. Oh, what were they doing here? Like that. Yeah, I mean, it's been just like one heck of a little run since Valentine's Day. You know, it would be absolutely incredible. So that level from history was violated and then recaptured, but there is no confirmation that it's valid. So you would want to see something like this if you were able, because that would give you not just like a inverse head and shoulders looking A. It would again be the back test you want to see. I mean, at least 292 or 215. Right, it's like it doesn't mean it's gonna happen. It's just exactly what we want if we want to strategize a low risk, the lowest risk entry possible, something like that. And again, it could be 215 or 290.
$20 from Satan Slayer. Hello, Mr. McKay Ray. You've been an inspiration since 1920. Can you gander at ICP, kind sir?
Satan Slayer, thank you, dude. Yeah, man. Michael Ray. That's my father's name. Yeah, since 1920. That was when my granddad was born. What's going on, dude? You just went multi-generational on me. Thank you. But they were showing the TA back then, man. Okay. It was me, it was H.M. Gartley, and it was Richard Wyckoff. We went out on yachts together. After doing hard work research, okay, of reading the tape and the tickers. So if you get that, that's what you want. If you don't get it, meh. Like, how do you like enter now? Like, if you enter now, there's so much downside before you hit an inflection point with a back test. So I'm just telling you what you want. It may never happen, okay? But I like this. It's cool that it's back above this 2022 low, right? That's cool. And, you know, above the 200 moving average, but there was a golden cross at Abbott. Way back. It was golden into death, but it's almost not going to be a death cross now because the performance lately. Yeah, have an alert set up at 229 or around there, but you can have it on the list. Just look for that back test. That'd be cool. May not get it, I know. There you go, Matthew B. Man. You knew.
Wacky waving inflatable arm flailing tube man. Wacky waving inflatable arm flailing tube man. Wacky waving inflatable arm flailing tube man.
Thank you. My thoughts precisely. Okay, Barrick Gold Connect, because oh, you know. Hold on, is this the right one? No, this is the wrong one. Yeah, dude, these miners are just like death come for ye. Yeah, it's wild too, because it's like you got the framework for an actual Gartley. You got an asset that is like at this key level here from 2013, from 2002, 2001. I mean, look at it. 2000. Look at this. 1998. Oh yeah, it goes back to 1992. You're there, but look how long. I mean, like 1997 all the way to like 2004. Nothing happened. Like garbage. I mean, these are just things where you look at it. It's like the history. Look, it's a Gartley. It's possibly a Type 2. Heck, man, there's like a local double bottom going on at the Type 2. But I mean, you ready to wait 80 years before it plays out? Man, I don't know, man. You want to go with the winners, man, right? This is a fat and stupid horse in a horse race. This one's not going to be taking you to the promised land anytime soon. It's just not. Even it, like, hey, dude, it's great, robotic, all right. But it's Barrett Gold, and yeah. Call me when gold starts doing something for real. Call me when this does something, and it's like actually impressive. I mean, you're just getting close, man. Maybe, but yeah, it's just since December, around Christmas, nothing. Yeah, when we break 2075, maybe, but then it's like, why don't I just own gold? God, it's getting as boring as Bitcoin. Miners, you don't want to you do not want to see them go below that level that I showed you. That's GG no re below that level. Like you don't even want to look at the chart ever again. It has fallen below that level for, unless they recapture it. ICP, which there's really no reason to look at ICP. I saw it today. I'm scanning and it's like, oh, what? What's so great about it, man? It hit a resistance for a second time and is certainly not enough demand to break that level. Yep. We just hit the key level and 3 black crows confirmed with the close today. Lowest daily candle close since like February 9th. If we're talking about the levels, man, I mean, it's 1466. We know. It's 981. We know. Those are the 2 levels. I'm not looking to long ICP right now. Based on the framework. Deep retrace. Failure. I don't know. There's just better assets. Like, you want to try to be taking longs on assets as close to key levels as possible. Look what the scalpers, the traders did on January 23rd. They bought at a level that was very, very real. It was resistance. It
$25 from SPYGUYY. What do you think about PH stock? I've been highly invested since 2012. I think it's overbought. Thoughts?
Spy Gai, thank you for the 10th super chat. Thank you, man. We will look at PH. We'll do it. All right. I don't know. I mean, it's almost like a W shape, right? Like maybe not a formal one. It's really deep there, but oh man, you know what really actually is? That's like a cipher, like a 61% retrace on B, a lower low on C, then a 786 on D, a bearish cipher. You want to see this? You see this right here, right? Stare at it like 3, 2, 1, and then I'll just show you real quick. Let's just go. I'm not saying this is exactly what's going to happen. I'm just showing you, like, you saw that. It's burnt in your mind. And now you're going to see something else. Like they're just, when you, hold on, it takes 50 years to get back there. It's the same picture, man. Dude, a 618 on B, lower at low on C, and then 786 on day. So that's IC pay right now. This was back in 2019, how Bitcoin reversed. Okay. And that eventually took us to $3,850. Okay. I mean, it's the same, but still very, very real here. I hope not. I hope we just go to, $10 billion immediately. Let's do it, man. Thanks again, Satan Slayer. Spy Guy wants PH. Pretty hot and tempting. Parker Hannafin. All time high. Is it overbought? Mother of God, it's beyond overbought.
$4.99 right? From Andrew 2. Weisswurst and Kraut tonight smeared in Leuvensenf mustard. Cheers, chat. Are the bears coming out yet?
Andrew, that sounds wonderful. Thank you for the 5 super chat. The update, the briefing on the food, which I'm starving. And are the bears coming out? Not yet, man. It's, you got Moo Moo and you got Bobo, and they're just warring. They've been warring each other since Valentine's Day. Will you be my eggs liquidity? Not yet. Here's your pH. Number go up. Forever. Going parabolic. I mean, it's definitely legged up to another level. Let's look at it in log scale. So beautiful, man. Like freaking gorgeous. What if we try to mess around with log scale? Come on, bro. Go log scale. Well, bro. Look at how ridiculous that is. I mean, you're just talking like it's like broken, right? Like if there was a supply line from 2013, 17, 21, 21 again, and then even in 2020, you just broke it. It's like gone. It's getting all stupid up in here. How will we do it? And I'm just thinking like starting it from the 2009 crash. I need to go to the weekly probably. Yeah. That's your channel, like your log scale channel since the COVID, or since the global financial crisis 1 and 2 and 3, and just gone, man. Yeah. Fib extensions, it's gone. It's like beyond extensions, man. It's like $530, some 600, 700. You're gonna get a pullback, and it'll probably be a higher low than the previous low from October. Dang, man, that is something else. I wonder if we like anchor. See, even if you anchor like this, doesn't matter. All angles are being crushed. It's freaking wild. Industrial machinery. But you've been owning it since 2012, so congratulations on all the money you've made. 2012. It was $85. Now it's at $530. Nice job, man. That's what we call an investor. Nice, dude. Okay. That was a request. That was the last request. Ever. There will never be another request on this stream. Okay? Confirmed. Let's look at Ethereum, because we didn't. Ethereum is just way up there. What happened yesterday? It was your second highest daily candle close in years, and out the gate on the new day, up about 0.5%. $3,000 looms again for another test. And if you want to see Ethereum catch up in performance to Bitcoin, you're gonna have to exceed 33.55, which I wouldn't be surprised eventually that happens. So very nice. Gotta look at the other big crypto coins, BNB. Yesterday was the highest daily candle close in years. And already working on a new day, up 0.71%, nearing, I mean, just intraday highest levels. Thanks for that, whatever that was. Yeah, no. I'm talking about no formal requests ever again. Not, oh, someone can just type a ticker. That's not a real request, dude. Here, I'll just type in too. Let's just do like, okay, so very nice on BNB. There's just not much here till 4:30. I mean, outside this one wick, you know, 397, 400, 4:30 after that. XRP still fine, and like a fruit fly, yeah, whatever. Still below 200-day moving average, like a massive loser. Back below 54.599 cents. I don't know if you own this. Good luck, dude. Just wow. Good luck. The only way you're gonna make money on XRP, most likely, is bullcrap news-driven catalysts. So that's it. That's the only thing that moves this crap anymore. Yeah, you have harmonic, and okay, eventually it'll play out, but it's gonna be, again, you could have probably traded 5 different things and they all played out, and then you come back to XRP, it's the same price. It's terrible, but hey, cool, dude. Okay, XRP, great, no one cares. Sol, and that we're just waiting on that bullish 5-0. The bullish 5-0 run 99. It was your lowest daily candle close again since February 7th, and waiting for some bids to come in, because none yet, dude. I would think, like, even if they come in, you're gonna test probably 120, 119 again for at least a confirmation. You don't have any confirmation really. And dude, I hate to be in. This is.
I get it.
Thank you, Danny DeVito. Yeah, really riveting crypto market outside of a select couple, and the couple were amazing because that's TA respect like crazy. Everything else is kind of dead in the wind, flat. Maker, okay. Shooting Star, getting some follow through. It's back at $2,000. Great. Matic, I mean, I'm waiting on 102, the second target of the trade setup, to break eventually, so we could see 130. But you just hit X. You just got the conclusion of a W shape, right? I mean, it's a perfect shark. Thank you. Right? That's perfect. It's a perfect shark. Well, not quite a perfect shark. It's just a W, because you need to see a 1618 here. You don't have that. It's a little too shallow. 1618 to 224. This is 13. Yeah. So, but it's just there. Okay. So it's at a resistance. At an 886 from another local high. Can't really expect much, but again, if you are in the trade setup, you still own it. You're not worried about it. You're just waiting for 130, and then that would be the conclusion of the trade setup. Where, you know, if let's just say we do get that, it'd be 142% upside from the bottom. And thank you for the Peepo shark. This got me new. Nice, landed right on support. How'd you know, dude? What's up, everyone? Hoarder, G-Dog, David, Jay, Morgan. Yeah, we looked at Engine. It was fine. It's just like, it's a dragon that has not yet dragged. Still waiting on it to really play out. You know, not too much further. I mean, 38 would suffice for a successful dragon. 786s, 886s, not sexes. That's where your dragons really, like, that's where you take profit. You can exit. But thinking is like one low, second low that's slightly higher than this low, and this low is higher than this low. It's like, okay, the trend is overall reversed, and we are in a new world. So like waiting probably for 47 cents if you have the patience to wait. I think you'll get 47 cents. Just, I don't know how long it's gonna take, man. I really don't know. 3M at the entry, dude. It's been at the entry for like 10 years, right? Not quite, right? It's a little long. Just talking about, well, I mean, yeah, close, but don't you want to see a back test 86, 89, 50 again? Look, swing high in 2012. Swing high from 2010. Swing high from 2004. And then there's the other part of the zone, right? 86. You want to go a little lower? I don't know what's going on here, but it was like that. Yeah, you're getting down there. Maybe you're talking about this low from May 31st gets recaptured or something. Yeah. Terrible trend. Yeah, someone's like, is CRV still alive? It's like, nah, dude. CRV is like over now, dude. No, it's like unbelievable. It's so like 87 cents. I'll wait. You give me enough time, I will wait for 87 cents and then I'll sell a little bit, okay? That's me. You're not gonna do anything. It's too perfect. I mean, like, bro, there's no opportunity. It's like we're staring at opportunity right now in CRB. Like, this is, you just have to wait months. If you can wait a few months just owning it, you'll thank me later. This is what the beginning looks like. Beginning of something magnificent. You just have to be patient enough to wait. Okay, because you're just talking like a nonchalant 58 to 60% upside, and that's just conservative. You start hitting aggressive targets, talking 100% upside on CRV, you double your money, and then you could say 121 up there. Cactus, that's great, dude. We don't care about that. We care about the technicals. This is the signature of somebody. Yeah, oh, Charlie Lee, I mean, he sold Litecoin too. It doesn't matter. Like, we're looking at, look, where it's like, if you're saying that, maybe you'll never get it. You just may never understand, okay? Because all I'm trying to do is instill the right technical values in you so you can take stuff like this and put it somewhere else on another chart. This is where dreams are made, certainly. Being handed to you on a platter here. And there's just not many that look like this, because there were ones that looked identical to this, but it was months ago, and now they're up 100% in value from those low risk entry levels, completion levels. I've only been live 45 minutes. I feel like I've been live 10 hours now. I'm just burning out, dude. Just getting burnt out. You know how it works, man. You do this too much, and then the market flattens out, and it's like, nope, I'm doing too much.
$20 from Liquid Temptation. Mitch, could we have a look at GMT? Looks like it is retesting the 0.618 on the daily. Could it continue up, or is it forming a head and shoulders pattern?
Liquid Temptation, thanks for 20, dude. We can look at it. We can't look at it, I guess, while I've been live. Thank you so much to Vega Life for the 3 months of support in the Citadel. Really appreciate that, man. Georgetown Felix, thank you for the 7 months of support in the Citadel / Patreon. And then Must Be, thank you for the 3 months of support in the Citadel / Patreon. Really appreciate y'all. That all just happened in the past 30 minutes. Much love. GMT. So crypto, probably. Of course it's crypto, yeah. 618. Excuse me. Looks like I've been here before for like a second. Based on like one line. Man, why are they not like testing the level? The 2022 low. The candle close? Not even probably. Look. See it? Okay. Then we go over and it's pretty close. Yeah, I think like that's your line in the sand. The closer you are to 22 cents, the easier it's going to be to manage your risk. If you want to do that at this level here, stop loss somewhere below 22 cents and you just forget about it. Pretty garbage chart, really. What are they? I guess if it stays above this level long enough, you'll see 41 cents again. Pretty deep on a B point to be any sort of form of harmonic. Yeah, maybe if you get a local low or something like this, then it might be actionable, but I wouldn't do anything till then, right? What are you gonna do? You long now, and what's gonna happen? It just rolls over 10, 15%, and then gets to a more reasonable level to manage risk, and then what are you gonna do? You're just underwater. You guys just keep averaging in. You want to wait, right? You always want to wait for a local confirmation low, like the wave down and then a small wave up and then a second small wave down. And you can just see it's clear as day, a confirmation low at a key level. You're waiting for it. You don't have it yet. Something like, again, Filecoin, such a freaking amazing example of just like right here, right? Trend reverse, all good. They're testing a key level once and they test it again. And then on the second test, you see it and it's like, all right, time to take a shot. Entry, stop loss below it, let it run. And look at it now. Already on this, after the second target, we're waiting on the third target. I think it's already at 2% on the new day. Good Lord. But what we know is like Asia doesn't do crap with crypto anymore. They don't have the capital, okay? Asia doesn't have the capital to move crypto. It's all Wall Street now. Like, if you not noticed, like the moves like never happen at night ever. I live stream every day. They don't happen in the evening. They're only in the morning when the stock market's opening or leading into it. That's when the moves happen. I can't even remember the last time we had a weekend big move. You don't. It doesn't happen anymore. It's crazy. They have tamed crypto a lot. It's changed. Wow. Thank you. Amazing. Amazing. Is it going to happen on INJ? I don't know, dude. Are they going to put it in their low? It'd be amazing if they did. Just, I have no confidence, but sure. I think it actually start pivoting here and we start running. My God, it's probably going to go to $50 freaking. Black Saturday was like the last time there was actual price action on a Saturday that was legitimate, not bullcrap that just reversed the next day. Yeah. Not even kidding, Jay. It was like my second
You know
most...
how easy this is for me? Do you have any idea how easy this is? This is a joke.
Thank you. So much. Check on ODFL. Oh yeah, dude. Oh yeah. What are you worried about? I mean, talking about like Okay, things are getting nuts, but then there are things that are like respecting the TA that are actionable, low risk, and they're respecting TA. They're doing well too. Excited to see how high this thing can fly. Where you're, wow, did that happen? Literally today, what happened on ODFL? The highest candle close ever. Yep, higher than what we saw in September 2023. Let's go, dude. So nice, man. Let's keep it freaking going. Everything else is just kind of like, yeah, up at 1 or 2%. Under Armour, freaking great, man. Like, this is like a dream. I'm just saying. Under Armour, like, just think about where this will be. $11 in time. This is like H bar. You're getting there. I think eventually $13 on Under Armour. It's all so real. It's such a good level, man. It's low risk. It has been low risk, you know. Tesla, whatever. Just not a good trend, but they defended a level, and it's just kind of chopping. Yeah, Oxy and Hal look great, man. We looked at, well, Hal great. It's like, it looks like a dragon that they've hatched the egg. The dragon is out there, but when real big. Now it's like, as the oh my God, what are they doing? Are you kidding me? The demand line getting defended again, right? And now you got like this. What's happening? This is what happens on dragons. You get the dragon, and then eventually you get a pullback, and then you get some sort of higher low than the second foot of the dragon. And all of a sudden the Momo shift, and it's like, wait a second, I've seen this picture before, but it's on another market. Hold on, isn't that like GRT? Remember GRT? It's the same picture. It's like VeChain doing things. It's the dragon, then a higher low, and then it goes. It's like, that's where Hal is right now. It just is. It's not my fault. All I can do is just show you. And it's all happening at that demand line. It's so freaking cool. And then Occidental, yeah, it's got the confirmation low near the bottom of this range, and pretty much made its highest level since the beginning of the year, right at that 200-day moving average, and still some pretty good upside to 67.60, then 73 after that. And then Baba, remember we were looking at it, and it's like, I'm not going to be the boy who cried Baba, but you're just right there, man. It's like, it's a freaking Gartley. It's like an Empress Head and Shoulders. It's the price trading back above that 2022 low. It's just like, man, there is an argument, really hardcore argument for a reversal soon. It's a Gartley. It's a 7-8. It's a, you know, a 61, 64% retrace on B, lower high and C, then a 786 on D, and then divergence down here. And it's just interesting. You know, maybe I'm not going to trade it. I'm just going to look at it. I'm going to look here. I'm going to listen. Okay. Michael Burry certainly seems to think the bottom's in on Baba. It's one of his largest holdings, but you know, he's been so freaking wrong, dude. Like that dude looks like
Chargers 21 tip $25. GGB weekly 3-day plaza. Clinking beer mugs.
Out, but the amount of losses he took on before closing with the loss, right? Thanks for the nearly 500 people here on a very, very dead crypto day. All right. That much we all know. Sorry. Checking my notes here. Yeah, where's the Baba Booey? Yeah, no, pathetic. Not one Baba Booey in like weeks, probably. Been at least 2 weeks since we heard of Baba Booey.
You know, I'm something of a scientist myself.
Thank you. Whatever your name is, thank you. From Spider-Man. GGB, no re. Jurdo. Ooh. No, I don't know, man. Yeah. Not really, like, exciting. You want the 3-day? Ugh. Dude, I don't know how I could sign off on this at all. Look, this is what's just nasty. When you have a run like this, and then a sell-off, and then an attempted rally by the market participants, and they fail once, they fail twice, they fail thrice, and now you're back below, like, what could be argued as a pretty real level. I think they're just better assets out there, dude. Like, this is almost like setting up for, you know what it's trying, they might be setting this thing up for. All right, what about this, man? Right? Like, what if they did that? It would just be better, and then you could be 1, 2, 3, your third valley, and all of a sudden you have this, like, weekly, monthly, 3 rising valleys, and it's like, wow, down at $2 when it loses half its value. It's trading below the 3-day 200-something moving average. I would just wait. I don't give a crap if it goes up next. There's just nothing that is discernible and positive about this. Inverse Baba Booey on GGB. Steel, non-energy minerals. Yeah. It would be wise to just own Bitcoin. If you're just gonna own something, you don't own GGB. You own Bitcoin. Okay. I don't care what happens next. I look at this and yeah, I'll just take Bitcoin without an edge over GGB without an edge. Okay. Yeah, no thanks. Trading the same price it was in 2006. Wow. Very cool. Okay, $3.99, $4. Let's see if they can hold it because they haven't tested it yet again. They got to test it again, so. Sorry, not really anything impressive on this chart. To me, that's okay. Could be impressive to you, and fine. Oh my god, dude. Yeah, AGIX, it's an all-time high. Yeah, it does that, man. Brad, I've already done the thing. I've done the thing. So maybe one day we will see the walls breached between 50,700 and 52,600, but it is not this day. It's not yesterday. It's nothing since Valentine's Day. So 8 days of just confinement, and maybe one day things will change. Hype for Nvidia, the ruler of the world. You don't have it on Nvidia today. Its market cap became larger than the entire country of Canada. Overnight, it increased in market cap the entire size of Netflix market cap. Overnight. Freaking wild, man. But yeah, I guess I'll just see y'all later. Thanks for coming by. Not sure when you'll see me again. So until next time, respect, T.A.
Who's
Thanks for this. Hey,